Hey, welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Super Short. I'm your host, David Murray, and on today's little Super Short, we are going to prepare a lobster stock for upcoming sauces and soups. We are going to start creating a lobster stock that we can use for sauces and soups and all kind of other neat things that are coming up in the future. Now, a lobster stock. Well, obviously it starts with lobster shells, but we're also going to use 2 cups of chicken broth, and we've got a stalk of celery, we've got salt, pepper, a bay leaf, we've got a half an onion we've quartered and even left the skin on, and we've got a little piece of parsley and a couple of sprigs of thyme. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got a pot. I've already got 1 cup of the stock in here. I've got it on high, and so we're going to add another cup, just like so. Just like that. No big deal. Now I'm going to come in. We're going to add our celery, and I took that celery stalk and just kind of broke it up, crunched it up. You know, nothing special. Now we're going to come in with our onion that we've quartered. We've got our salt and pepper going in, just like so. Then we have 2 bay leaves, just like that. Again, hey, nothing too terribly tough. Now I'm going to come in here with my parsley. I'm just going to give it a little squeeze, just like that. That'll start releasing some of those good oils that'll infuse those flavors into our stock, and do the same thing with our thyme. And now we're going to come in with our lobster tails. These are off little spiny lobsters we get down in Florida. Now, what we're going to do, clean up a little bit. We are going to bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to simmer it. After it comes to a boil, we're going to put it on about medium to medium high, and we're going to let this thing just simmer, and we're going to cook it down for right about 1 hour. Now, we've got our stock up to what I'm calling kind of a soft boil. It's not a rolling boil. And now I'm going to turn it down to, I'd say, more of a medium high. And I'm going to let this sit here, and it's just going to steep. It's going to slowly cook, and all those flavors are going to come out of every little ingredient that we have in here, and it's going to infuse our chicken stock. Well, it's been just over an hour of simmering, and our stock is ready to be strained. So we've got a 4-cup glass measuring cup. Anyway, and I got this real fine looking strainer I got here. It's been around for a while, so we're going to keep up with it. Now I'm going to come in and carefully we're going to strain our stock. Just like so. Yes, get all the good out of there. There it is. That is it. There is our nice little batch of flavorful lobster stock. Now it's ready for us to make a sauce or a soup, like how about a true Charleston original she crab soup? Hey, stay tuned, maybe coming sooner than you think. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? And click that little subscribe button. Also, yeah, I've already said that once. Click the little notification bell is what I meant to say. And hey, if you like the video, give it a little thumbs up and leave us any comments you'd like. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram, where Instagram has 2 T's in gourmet, one of those things. And there is a recipe for you to download down in the description below. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then.